Hello students, good evening. Welcome to Derivation. I am Derivation and today we will discuss trigonometric ratios of 0 degree and 90 degree. 0 degree and 90 degree. So, in other classes, I have discussed about your 45 degree and 30 degree and 60 degree, right? Okay. So in this class I will cover 0 degree and the right angle 90 degree. So that particular picture, okay, right angle triangle ABC having two acute angles A and C and right angle at B. Suppose, let's assume what happens when A will be 0 degree. A will be 0 degree. You just see the figure. Then when angle A closes to 0 degree, right? It is said to be what? Smaller and smaller, okay, and it is very nearer to 0 degree. Then what will happen in that situation? Point C will be very close to B. Point C will be very close to B, and AC is same as AB. This is same as your AB. Whereas BC decreases and its size is what? You can say 0, almost 0. So now right in triangle ABC, right angle at B, right angle at B. We have what? We have, suppose, that is AC will be same as your, that is base. Sorry, your hypotenuse is same as base. That is A. Whereas BC goes on decreasing, BC, look at it, AC will be equal to AB and BC goes on decreasing. Okay, and lastly this will be 0. Okay, the value will be 0 itself. Right? Here we will take acute angle A. That's why sin A, that is sin 0 degree. Sin 0 degree. Sin 0 degree will be what? We know that AB base, that is BC by AC. BC by AC, perpendicular value, hypotenuse. I have told you that BC goes on decreasing and it will closes to 0. Okay, whatever the value of AC, that value what will be closes to 0. As BC closes to 0. Then cos A Very fine. As we discussed sin, then we just move to cos. That is, you can write cos 0 degree. And what is cos? It is the ratio of side addition to angle A by a hypotenuse. Addition to A, that means AB by AC. As I told you, AB will be same as very same as AB. Okay, so this two value will be same. Then what we will get? 1. As sin 0 degree is 0, cos 0 degree is 1. What is the value of tan 0 degree? Nothing but it is the value of what? Sin 0 by cos 0, sin 0 by sin 0 degree by cos 0 degree. From here itself, sin 0 is 0, cos 0 degree is 1. That's why 0 by 1, 0 by 0. Okay, mind my points that if sin A is 0, then from this cosec 0, cosec. If sin 0 is 0, then cosec 0 degree. That is, what is the inverse? Not defined. What is the value of what is the inverse of 0? Not defined. Like that, sec 0 degree, sec 0 degree. That will be here. That is having. And here, what will be cot 0 degree? Cot. What is the inverse of this value? That is okay. Here, just look at the graph. Sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1, tan 0 is 0, cosec 0 not defined, sec 0 1, cot 0 not defined. These are the values of various trigonometric ratios of the angle 0. Okay, clear? Okay. Then after completing this derivation of trigonometric ratios 0 degree, we will now move to the right angle 90 degree. Okay. So my dear students, assume that right angle triangle ABC having two acute angles, that is your A and C. Okay, and right angle at B. Question is that let us see what happens if angle A will be larger and larger. Okay, larger, and henceforth it will what? Come to side here BC. Okay, larger and larger. Then what will be the effect on AB here? What? Reduces. Okay, and from there AC lies on BC. Whereas AB will be 0. And point A will be very close to point B, where the right angle is suitable. where the right angle is situated. Okay, and angle C will be very close to 0. It will be very close to 0. Okay, then this triangle, what will happen in in triangle ABC, something triangle ABC, right angle at B, right angle at B. What will happen? Angle A is said to be larger and larger. Okay, angle A is said to be larger and larger. So then AB going up, decreases, going up. Okay, AB. Okay, fine. AB goes up, decreasing. Okay. Then here AC will vary coincide with your side BC. Right? Then now we will take sine A. You can say sine 90. Look at the figure, series of figures there, right? So sine A, that is sine 90 degree. Sine, the thing is what? BC by AC. BC by AC. So this two value will sine. That's why sine 90. Sine 90 is 1. Then cos A. Okay, that is cos 90. Cos 90 means what? AB by AC. AB by your AC. Okay, as AB decreases, that's why AB decreases, AB goes on decreasing. That's why numerator is decreasing. Then whatever the value of AC values, then we move to that pole. Next, 10 or 10 90 directly and that sin 90 by cos 90. 1 by 0. 1 by 0. That is not divided. Okay? Or else you can write details. This is sin 90 by cos 90. As sin 90 is 1, cos 90 is 0. Okay, if sin A is 1, then what will be the value of cosec 90? This will also 1. Then sec, next angle here, sec 90. What is the inverse of this? Not defined. Then here we come to last, that is cot 90. What is the inverse of not defined? Okay, so clear? Yes or no? Clear? Very fine. Okay, these are the concepts and उम्मीद करते हैं ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा होगा। ओके, हम कवर कर चुके हैं ऑलरेडी। और सो ठीक है, मिलते हैं दूसरे वीडियो पे। और बहुत सारा बाकी है डिस्कस करने के लिए। कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स भी है और सम एप्लीकेशन भी है, हाउ टू प्रूव द ट्रिग्नोमेट्रीज आइडेंटिटीज भी है, ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटी आगे। तो थैंक यू, मिलते हैं दूसरे वीडियो। सबसे लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा। ओके, जैसे भी आप करेंगे ये सब्सक्राइब करेंगे तो आपका हमारा ऑफर आपको मिल जाएगा। और थैंक यू।